For Monday, April 13th, you need to get out your phonics page 183. 184 is on the back, so get your phonics page and a pencil and let's begin. At the top of the page, we need to mark our vowels. They've done the first example for us. The word is r-on. It has a short vowel sound, so they've placed the little smile over the O. The next word has two vowels. It has an O and an E. The O says its name. The word is zone. Next we have two vowels again. Magic E, I've, five. In this word we only have one vowel, so it gets the short vowel sound. P, uff, puff. In this word we have the E followed by the A. The E says its name. The A is silent. T-eam. This word, only one vowel. The E gets a smile. The word is t-en. This word has an O followed by an E. The O says its name. The E is silent. T-o. This word has the A with a magic E on the end. The E is silent. The A says its name. W-ache. Coming down to the last row, we have an I that says its name and an E that is silent. S-eyed, side. Another A that says its name and the E is silent. B-ace, base. In this word, there is only one vowel. There is an E, so it will get that smile, and the word is h-elp, help. Again, only one vowel in the final word, and the word is t-os. The O says aw. Okay, coming down to number 2, it says fill in the circle next to the special sound that completes the word. So we have a picture of a stove, and I have to figure out if stove begins with ST or TR. I hear the ST at the beginning, st. So I need to color in the ST dot. Over here I have trash. Does it begin with FR or TR? Tr. It begins with TR. So color in the TR. This one is a plate. Plate. PL or ST? It has the pl. So I need to color in the PL. Now I'm doing the ending sound for this picture. This is bath. Bath. So at the end I hear the th is made by TH. Then I have nest. Nest. I hear the st at the end, so I need to color in the ST. And finally I have train. Train. So I hear the tr like in TR at the beginning of this word, and I need to color in the TR. Flipping your page over and working on the back on page 184, it says look at the pictures and fill in the circle under the word that completes each sentence. Then color the pictures, okay? So the sentence reads, the sun is in the sk-ip. Nope, doesn't make sense. Sk-ill. Nope, doesn't make sense. This last one, I have sk-I. Remember the Y sometimes says I when it's at the end of a short word. Sk-I. The sun is in the sky. Next sentence, see the cute snob. That doesn't make sense. Sn-ale or sn-app. Which one makes the most sense? See the cute snob, snail, or snap? Well, I probably wouldn't call a snail cute, but I think that's the one that makes the most sense. So I'm going to color in snail. Coming down to the next sentence, Sam likes to play in the first word is mud. Then I have mug. And then I have mumps. Mud, mug, or mumps. What do you think Sam likes to play in? Probably the mud. Unless he's a miniature person, then maybe he likes to play in the mug. but we're going to go with mud. That makes the most sense. Finally, Dad got a big fig. Dad got a big fig. Well, maybe he got a big fig. I don't know. Fish, fish, perhaps, or ill. Which one makes the most sense? Well, I'm looking at the picture. I see this big fish, so I know that Dad got a big fish, not a fig. Okay? Complete your answers, color your pictures, and you are done with your phonics for today. Have a great day.